All right, we came to check out our local little pond. See if we can catch some bass before we go to work. Let's check it out. Think there's fish in there?
No. If we don't catch a fish, we're gonna catch a duck.
Hell yeah.
Look at this duck. This is the one we're gonna catch.
This is the spot. This is the spot we chose. We're gonna fish right here. See if we catch something.
Fish on!
Got one. We got one. Then we got one.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
That's it. He's on there. Oh. Is it a big one? Oh.
Oh wow.
Oh, he's pretty big. Look at this dude. Pretty nice. Show him the spot. Look at the spot. That's it. Right in the middle of Get the release on this dude. See you later. Alright, so Jay and I ended the night with just that one fish. Pretty decent fish for that spot.
Yeah.
You usually catch little baby ones all the time.
Yeah.
Well, it's kind of our first little video of fishing. We'll be uploading more. We've been going fishing for the past couple months, and also gives us a chance to try out the new GoPro.
Yep.
So hopefully we're able to upload some more fishing videos. Check us out. Peace out.
Peace.